How to repost TikTok videos. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can repost TikTok videos. Okay, so straight into it. So first what you want to do is go to the TikTok app. Next, as you're scrolling through TikTok, you'll see all the videos and the posts as usual. And then say, for example, this video, I would like to repost this one. What you can see on the bottom right hand corner or on the right hand side of the page, there's the option to share the video. So I'm just going to click on that share button. And then next, you'll see that the first option on the top left corner is to repost. So I'm just going to click on repost. Then I'm going to click repost again. Next, you can add your thoughts, so you can make some comments in here. Click add. And now that video has been reposted. And that's all it takes to repost TikTok videos. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.